9 free Winter Gnomes Crochet Patterns. The Crochet Santa Gnome is an amigurumi design from Jen Hayes Creations by Jennifer Hayes, created to add holiday cheer as a decoration, gift, or toy, drawing inspiration from Scandinavian-style gnomes. The Crochet Mrs. Claus Gnome is a free pattern available from Winding Road Crochet. Designed by Lindsay, intended to complement the Santa Claus gnome and enhance Christmas enjoyment. The Danish Christmas gnome is a free and easy crochet pattern provided by Maria La Larga, inspired by the elegance and modern simplicity of Nordic and Scandinavian decor. The Crochet Santa Gnome pattern is available from Winding Road Crochet, designed by Lindsay, and is described as a simple, classic, and adorable Christmas decoration. Scandinavian Santa Gnome amigurumi. This pattern creates a huggable Scandinavian Santa Gnome, designed for Christmas decor or gifting, and features a beard that can be brushed for fullness. Little Fino amigurumi Christmas Gnome. This is a free amigurumi pattern for Little Fino, a small Christmas gnome that is part of a family of Tom's Scandinavian gnomes. The Christmas Gnome is an amigurumi crochet pattern offered by Ildiko Amigurumi Patterns. Designed by Ildiko, this gnome stands approximately 10 centimeters tall when finished. The Norwegian Gnome for Christmas is a crochet project from Crochet with Yarnhild, featured on their YouTube channel and blog, presenting a smaller, altered version of a previous pattern. The project featured in the selected link is the free crochet gnome pattern Adorable and beginner-friendly. This pattern was designed by Hannah Cross for Hanjin Crochet, having originally appeared in Simply Crochet magazine in 2015. Find all these patterns and more on theyarncrew.com. The link to the roundup is in the description.